Up on the lift, we have this second gen Ford Raptor. So this thing came into us, gentlemen, here in Charlotte area, just picked this up. This thing came from Ohio. And when I say that it was less than presentable, it was pretty bad. So in Ohio, they're gonna have a lot more snow, a lot more inclement weather than we do here in Charlotte, North Carolina. And as a result, the chassis, inner fender wells, everything that had some type of semi-untreated metal from the salt and the brine, the winter driving, was just completely spanked. So he brought it in, we spent a few hours dry ice cleaning this thing, and then we hit it with our Waxoyl product, and you can see end result, pretty nice. The nice part about this Waxoyl treatment is we can be extremely effective, very, very efficient. So case in point, this client brought this vehicle in, we were able to do the dry ice cleaning and then spray this Waxoyl. It creates a really nice finish. So if it's something that you guys are looking to have done on your vehicle, visit our website, meritmotorsco.com, or visit one of our social channels, drop us a message, we'll get you on the books.